It's like 3 times as long. It's coming from Nick Trusty. It's like 3 times as long. It's coming from Nick Trusty.
How much is the shipment for that?
$100.
Wait,
98.
how much the cost inside?
You don't want to know.
3,000.
Nah, not that
1,000?
much. No.
5,000?
No. $450.
Just in one box.
All right. We're going to be busy for a few minutes. Diamond Edge. Furniture. That's the one we need. What's cool about these is they have these, I forget what they called this. It's like rubber. Plastic? Like way before plastic was cool. Boom. One assembled Diamond Edge number 5. 5.5. That one needs to go up.
5.5?
5.5.
This is 5.5.
5.5 frog. And then you got 5.5 furniture. Little crusty. Oops. Definitely crusty.
You're gonna have a deep thing for that.
Yeah, this one's gonna have some, gonna get some time spent on it. Getting her all cleaned up.
Color?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a guy named Nick Trusty.
Nick Trusty?
Mm-hmm. He's one of my buddies from Union. He's on our advisory board. That hasn't seen a sharpening stone in a month of Sundays. Ooh, that one still got the sticker in it.
How old is that?
I don't know. Old? Older than me? Maybe older than me and you put together?
Put it together and like assemble it.
When you're shipping a plane, if you ship them assembled, they can get broken. Boy, that's seen better days.
Now that's much together.
Yeah, because that one goes through this one.
Because the other one looks so shiny.
Oh. Oh. Oh no. That
Oi.
sucks.
It came off? What is that?
Yeah, the barrel nut came off. It happens. Yeah.
How are you gonna fix this?
You crack it in half and glue it back together.
And the other one is.
Ta-da!
Awesome. How about the inside? Oh, that's good.
Yeah, somebody spray painted it.
What happened to the one that did out in here?
Yeah, this one's been redone. Somebody spray painted it.
What do you feel in your fingers, Dad?
I don't know how to answer that question.
Do you feel your fingers, Dad?
Yes, of course. I have some fingers that don't have all their feeling.
Where are they?
This hand, these two. You spin me twice round, maybe twice round, like a record, round, round.
Dad, what is that, Dad?
Turn
A
it
hand
around.
plane?
Yep, this is a Diamond Edge 4.5.
Where's the edges?
That's the name of the company. Diamond Edge was the model line for Shapely hardware. This was made by Stanley.
I thought the edges were made out of diamond.
No, it's just the name of the company.
Dad, is anything made out of... Do you have anything that's made out of diamond here?
I do.
What is it?
Well, Mommy's ring is made out of diamonds.
Can I see
And I
diamond?
have diamond plates for sharpening stuff.
Whoa. And gold. Is that like a rich one?
Precious metals and stones for my precious lady.
So, am I precious to you, Lee?
Yes.
Yeah, you should be nice.
I know this isn't exciting to you. It is to me.
How many? 2 more, right? 2, 3.
Looks like 3.
This is the longest one?
That's a number
So
8.
long.
That's a jointer plane.
There are all the people stacked on top. Dad, if everyone was stacked on top of each other, would it reach to space?
I would think so.
Dad, it takes 300 floors to get to the cloud, but it takes 600 floors to get to up.
Number 6.
Mom, can I have bread for tomorrow?
Yeah, of course. Wash your hands, please. Go wash your hands first.
I did.
6.
See if you reflected to light is right.
Yeah. I think the other one needs to go in the bin, sweetheart. Yep. That one's hollering for you.
Almost
Have
done,
kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Is it almost done, Dad?
Yep.
How many more package?
Looks like 3.
Marshall. Beautiful. 5.
We passed
No.
the fun moment already.
What a fun moment.
Then,
There.
then. Are you
Diamond
not
Edge,
bad?
number 8.
Whoa. Boom. Like this one. Oh, like that. Ah. Hey, that's a gigantic one.
What is a surprise?